to delete all your tweets at once on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all your tweets at once on X, formerly known as Twitter. Let's get started. Note that deleting your tweets is irreversible and make sure to back up any important information before proceeding. Go to your preferred web browser and visit twitter.com. Enter your credentials and log into your Twitter account. Then go to a trusted third-party service like tweetdelete.net or tweetwipe.com. Then authorize the app by following the on-screen instructions. Then choose your preferences such as deleting all tweets or tweets older than a certain date. Confirm the action to delete all tweets. The service will begin deleting your tweets, and this might take some time depending on the number of tweets you're gonna delete. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all your tweets at once. Make sure to use these tools responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.